pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Worthington Hills local and long-distance movers near me. Plenty of options come with your long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating doesn't have to be so difficult. We offer complete long-distance moving services to make it easier for you. Our team can help you move one state away or all the way across the country with ease. If you're ready to hire a Kentucky moving company for your local move, we are ready to help you. Our team of professional movers knows how to save you from injury and protect your things throughout the move. 3 Movers makes the entire moving process easier. Even a local move is a ton of work. When you want to avoid doing all that work or you just need some help, we're ready to go to work for you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Worthington Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.